In this video, I'll show you how to install your Canon ink 281 and 280 inside of your printer. So first step, we need to open this lid so we have access to the ink compartment. To do so, over here you have a small gap. Put your fingers there and lift. Then you can release this lid and it will stay by itself since it has a small prop over there. This is where we need to install the ink cartridges. The position of each of them is clearly marked right above. So first we have the magenta, then we have the black, then we have the yellow, then we have the black that is PGBK. This is the larger one that looks like this. And finally we have the cyan. Now we need to remove the wrapper that is protecting each of these cartridges. To do so, it's very easy. Over here you see there is a small sign telling you to pull. You just have to grab this orange tape and pull like this. Then we can remove the rest. Finally, we need to remove this plastic orange thing over here. Very easy. Take the tab and remove it. And do this for each of them. So let's start with the first one, which is the magenta. Take the magenta cartridge, and how to place it, it's very easy. You see, there's a small tab. This is the back of the ink cartridge. The other part, that is the front, should look like this. It should have some green inscription on the front. The top of the ink cartridge is where you see all the details about it. And the lower side is where you have the contact and the print head. So to put it, you just have to glide it and put the top first like this. Okay, so put the top like this and then let it sit, and with one finger you're going to press it until it clicks. You'll also hear a beep confirming that you did it correctly. The next one is the black. So I put the top first like this, I let it sit, and then I press with my finger. Now it's time for the yellow. The PGBK, same things as the other ones, and finally the cyan. To put back the lid, you just have to press on it. With two hands it's a lot easier. Do it slowly until it reaches the final position.